Before we get started, if you love car tech, Apple tips, or ways to make your drives more entertaining, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a guide. Today, we're answering a popular question: can you watch YouTube on Apple CarPlay? The short answer is no, not officially. Apple does not allow the YouTube video app to run on CarPlay while driving, and for good reason. Apple's safety guidelines are strict because watching videos while driving is extremely dangerous and a leading cause of accidents. However, there is some good news for passengers or if your car is parked. Let's start with the official options. While you cannot watch videos, the YouTube Music app is available on CarPlay. This allows you to play audio from YouTube content, like music tracks or podcasts, while displaying minimal album art and simple controls on your car screen. It's a safe and legal option that keeps the audio entertainment flowing without the distraction of video. Now, for those times when your vehicle is parked and you want the full YouTube experience, there are some unofficial workarounds. The first option is hardware adapters, sometimes called AI boxes. These are small devices that plug into your car's USB port and run a standalone Android system. With this setup, you can install and use the full YouTube app on your car's screen without jailbreaking your iPhone. It's stable and reliable, but it does require purchasing additional hardware. Another method is using third-party apps like CarTube or WheelPal. These apps can be sideloaded onto your iPhone to bypass Apple's restrictions and make the YouTube video app appear on CarPlay. However, these solutions are often temporary and may stop working after iOS updates, so they're less dependable. Finally, screen mirroring is an option. Some apps or hardware devices let you project your iPhone's screen onto the CarPlay display. You'd open YouTube on your phone, and the video would appear on the larger car screen. Again, this should only be used while parked or for passengers, never while driving. The key takeaway here is safety first. Apple's restrictions exist for a reason, so always make sure video playback features are only used when the car is stationary. If you want, I can walk you through the specific steps and costs for using a non-jailbreak hardware adapter, which is generally considered the safest and most reliable way to watch YouTube while parked. If this video helped you understand how to safely get YouTube on CarPlay, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below if you want me to do a step-by-step guide for the hardware adapter solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.